Another interesting and useful tool in Luminar Neo is panorama stitching. It's as you can see, you have to drag and drop 2 or 100 photos and one video to start. As you can see, I go into the mountain and create 60-degree image, and I want to stitching them together and create a very long and panorama image. You can simply holding shift to select all of them and click and drag it to this tool. It's automatically detected them and you can see all of them here. If you want, you can delete or replace any image. Then simply go to a start. It tells you, okay, this image you want to continue, and then simply continue. It's loading and preparing, and you don't need to do anything, just waiting to stitching all of these images for you. Or you can create HTML from then. And after that, all of these tools will be appear and you can change the projection if you want. Let's stay and waiting to that. And now, and as you can see, it's stitch all of my image together. And here you can simply rotate in any degree that you want to align your horizontal horizon line here. Or if you can see, you can rotate your image in this direction, going your mouse over here. If this your cursor change like this, you can rotate it or come here. Yeah, this you can rotate horizontal here, or you can with drag and drop up and down. You can change your image here. You can change the projection. Just change them and see which projection, for example, this do you want to use. I think I like this is pretty cool. And after that, you can continue, and it's cropping the area that you don't need, and just crop. And now you have your image, and you can simply sorry, you can simply save it to your library here, and it's open automatically. And after that, you can right click and export it. You can simply export. This is a location, this is a name that you want. You can double click and rename it, format that you want, of course a PNG or high quality image. If you want, you can sharpen it. You can change the size here if you want, change the color, and of course the quality, and then export. And it's export to your computer. And done. You have one interesting panorama image that you stitch it together. It's doing its jobs very well. And of course, you can create a using a moving movie video, the person or a moving object, and create automatically several person. For example, this double click. As you can see, the person is doing skates, and it's detected this person and create a long image with a different position of this person. You can do it automatically or your by manually. Simply click and drag a video here and start. If you don't want to anything, if you want to AI doing for you, you can just hit continue and let waiting to doing its job, and let's see what happened. And after that, I'm doing it manually, and that's it. You can see it's detected the image from your movie and detected a person and in an image, and it's create the effect like this. You can rotate it if you want, click and drag to change horizon, and or change the projection. Change the projection to which projection do you want more, and then you can continue and save. Let's do it manually again. For doing that, custom object composition, and you have to, it's automatically detected. You have to manually detect it. For example, I want to this person from here. You have to cover your person to this box, and the software tells you, okay, I manually want to detect the object here. Click and drag it with a distance. Again, I want to detect that person here again. Click and drag. Yeah, detected the person actually here. Nice. Try to cover the object with shadow. It's important. In this part, be careful. Don't use these sections very close together because it's confusing. This way is nice. Again, hit plus icon here, and with these handles, try to fit your person with its shadow actually. Again, doing there. Yeah, trying to fit. In this case, yeah, I missed the shadow. Let's try what happened after that. And going there at the end. Another. Yeah, let's try. Just don't create these dots very close together, and let's see what happened. And now you can see it's doing its job very well, and I want this effect. You can change projection. Yeah, wider. No, don't like this. Like it. And then you can continue. And it's cropping this way. You can come back. I think this projection is better. We have more image. Processing to crop. And now it's cropping for you, and then crop, and you can save it. As you can see, it's little, because it's object is very long, it's create bad things, but it's very well nice. And then you can save it if you want. Saving that we have here, you can right click, going to export, or clicking from here, you can go to the file and create export here, or you want to share it if you want. That's it. Hello, my friends. To continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.